Welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine and I want to do a first impressions of Mented Cosmetics. So if you watched my last collective haul, I did get Mented Cosmetics from Ulta when they had the Women's History Month. So they're a black owned brand and a woman owned brand. So I decided to purchase. I've never tried them before. So I have everything, kind of everything that they had on the site back then, which was in March. But I know that they've launched, I think, mascara, or I saw in Ulta the other day when I was on the website that they had mascara now, but I'm not getting the mascara. I'm just gonna try what I have. So I have their eyeshadow palette here. I have their blush, and we have a bronzer. We'll see how these look on my skin because I ordered them online. We have the foundation. I don't know if that's gonna match. Seemed like it might be an okay match when I did the haul. And then we have their Mented loose setting powder, and I have their Mented Better Setter setting spray. This has vitamin C and E in it. And then I have 2 lip liners and a liquid lipstick. So this is what we'll be using today. Since I haven't really done my face, all I did was my brows. I did prime my face. If it's not Mented Cosmetics, I'm just going to skip through that part and only show myself using just the Mented Cosmetics items. So my face is already primed, and I can just go in and start with the foundation. They didn't have a concealer, so I'm going to use a different concealer, but I'm not going to show that part. I'm just going to show myself doing that foundation. And I got the color T20. It looked like this could be my shade on the Ulta website, so okay, I think this is going to work. I'm just gonna start with that and see how this works or how this goes. And I'm going to get a brush. Okay, I found my brush. Took me a minute, and this brush is pretty much done for. It's just the base of the brush or the handle of the brush is peeling off. But this I'm pretty sure I either got from like Amazon, or I'm pretty sure it's from Amazon, just somewhere cheap. I kind of want to go through. I have a couple of brushes, or a lot of brushes like this, where I just want to kind of peel off or take off this paint that's peeling off of them, so that way they can look nicer. But let's go ahead and blend this out. It looks like it's blending good. I have this one spot here that may need extra. Okay, so I'll just go ahead just in this part here. See if that will build in this area. Okay, so I like that. I'm going to go ahead and use the vitamin C and E setting spray. And then just use my sponge just to make sure that's pressed in and blended. And I do wash my sponge every time just before I use it. So I wash it, 1, because I need to wet it, and then 2, to make sure it's clean before I'm using it on my face again. So definitely make sure you're washing your sponges each time. That's the one thing I do wash. I may take a couple of weeks or months to wash my brushes, but my face sponges I wash before every use. All right, now for the concealer, because it's not Mented Cosmetics, I'm just gonna go off, do the concealer and the liquid, not the liquid, but my bronzer stick, and then I'll come back on to do, I'm also gonna have to set my face with a foundation powder that I have, because they didn't have a foundation powder, and I'll have to come back on when it's time to set my concealer, do bronzer and all that. So I'll be coming back and forth. Okay, I have the concealer and my cream contour done and on. Now I need to just set my face, or set my eyes with their setting powder, and this is the color Light Tan. So I'm gonna just take this to get some of that excess off. And I'm gonna set my eyes. And I'll set everywhere that I put concealer. Alright, so I do like this setting powder. I already have like really deep fine lines underneath my eyes, so it's not going to completely take that away, but it does minimize it. Now I just need to go ahead and set the rest of my foundation, and since again they do not have any type of Mented foundation powder, I'm just going to use one of my own powders, well not my powders but another powder that I use, and then we'll come back and I will do the bronzer and the blush. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get into the bronzer and the blush. So the bronzer is called Vacay. I wasn't sure what shade to get, so just kind of got, I don't know if this is the middle shade or what, but we'll test it out. Okay. I'm just going to do it lightly. Okay, I like the bronzer. And I will also use this on my nose. So whatever I use to bronze my face with, I use also to do like my nose contour. Alright, so that's Vacay, in case you're interested. Now for the blush is Peach for the Stars. I love like a peach blush, an orange blush, pink. I just love it. Okay. Okay, I have to be careful because I know that I can get carried away when it comes to blush. I really like the peach blush. I just think this is really pretty. So I'll just kind of use my foundation powder brush to kind of pat that in when I go overboard and kind of take some of that off. Okay, so that it's just kind of softer. All right, so we've done our blush and bronzer. What do I have left? All I have, well, I have the setting spray, so we can do the setting spray, and then we're going to go into the eyeshadow. So let me just go ahead and set this, and then I'll do my lips last. Okay. With this setting spray, whenever I spray it, I feel like I'm hearing like tiny little bubbles. It just feels a little weird, but that's okay. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the eyeshadow. So this is the palette. It's called the Everyday Eyeshadow Palette, and it's pretty neutral. So we're going to just take, I don't think I'm going to do too much. I'm going to take this color here all over my lid, and I'm just going to use this brush because I'm going to also just take that in my crease. Oh, that's pigmented. Okay. They don't have color names, so you know, in one of my last videos I mentioned I was trying to do like just a soft neutral look. It didn't turn out that way, so I said I would attempt to do another softer look, and this is it. Okay, so I'm just packing that on to my lid and into my crease. This is a pretty color. All right, and then I'm going to take the color next to it, which is right here. It's a little bit deeper. Using the same brush, and I'm just going to take that on the outer portion and to blend in my crease. Okay, so really nothing major. This is pretty much it. Okay, I just need to throw eyeliner on. For my eyeliner, I'm not going to wing it out. I'm just blending this part right here. Felt like I still saw some there. So I'm not going to wing out my eyeliner. So I'm just gonna put some eyeliner on, some mascara, and then we'll come back for the lips. My eyeliner and mascara are on, and I did use the same colors I put on my lid and in my crease. I just used them on my lower lash line. Now we're going to get into the lip products. So there's two lip pencils that I got, and let me see. One is called Night, Mented Night, and one's called Mented Dope. So this one is Mented Night. Looks like that. And then that one's Mented Dope. So I'm gonna go ahead and use Mented Night for my lip liner. And now for the, this is actually, it says it's a lip gloss, not a liquid lipstick. So I'm going to use this, and this is called Pink About Me. Okay. And I already put that on my lips, but just so you can see. See, it's more of a lip gloss. It's a very soft pink, like a rosy soft pink. And this is how it turns out when you mix that with the lip liner. So I'm going to go ahead and kind of give you the price points for these items as well. So the setting spray that we have, so the Mented Better Setter setting spray was $28. Then we have the foundation stick. This was $30 and I got the color T20. Then we have the Mented bronzer in the color Vacay. This was $22. The Mented blush in the color Peach for the Stars. This was also $22. And you'll see like fingerprints are on it. It's a very like soft matte material. It feels like, it's not suede because it's not like a fabric, but it just feels like soft, like that very like soft, I don't know how to describe it, but it's very soft packaging, and I'm pretty sure like you can wipe it off so it'll clean off. So I just wiped it on my towel and like cleaned off some of my fingerprints. All right, and then we have the Mented setting powder in the color light tan, and this was $25. The lip liners were $12 each, and then the lip gloss was $15. And then we have the eyeshadow palette, which is the everyday eyeshadow palette. See fingerprints. Okay, I kind of got it off, but this was $28. All right, and that is pretty much everything that I got from Mented Cosmetics. I did get them at Ulta. So check it out if you're interested. Leave a comment down below if you've tried Mented Cosmetics and what you think of it. Don't forget to subscribe because I do have more videos coming up. So I should be having an Amazon handbag haul coming up. Either it'll go up before this or after this. I don't know. I just really want to get that video out before those items sell out. And then I also have a Shein handbag haul. I have another haul coming up from Clarity Cosmetics. And I did buy some more stuff from Lorella Cosmetics as well. So stay tuned for that. Subscribe so you don't miss those videos. And give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.